How to forward emails from business email account to Gmail account. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. Next, click and enter Forwarders section under Email. And in Forwarders page, you can set up the email forwarders in Business Email Account. Next, click the Add Forwarder button. And next in the field, enter the username of the business email account. In this field, select the domain to which the business email account's username is associated. Next, in Forward to Email Address field, enter the Gmail account to which emails from the business email account will be forwarded. Finally, click Add Forwarder button. And done, the emails from this business email account will be forwarded to this Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.